Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your love bite now. Let's see, Gemini, what's the message here for you today? And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So Gems, let's start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you to top the reading, and then we'll start your tarot. So my angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Gemini, please. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Gemini. This one. All right. Let's keep this card here, Gemini. Let's put the rest back. And the card I have here for you, Gems, is Move. So some fast movement coming into your love life, Gemini, or maybe somebody needs to make a move now. Let's keep this card here. Let's see why this card is here. And check your tarot and see how it's going to connect to the rest of your reading. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all the support you've sent to the channel. Thank you for all your lovely comments and your likes. I'm very grateful and very blessed. Thank you so much. And yes, Gems, if you're new here, we welcome you too. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of our Omkara family. We welcome you in. So this is just going to be a small little mini love bite, as I like to call it. Your longer readings have already been put up. I'll leave a few links at the end of the video, and more are coming. Your next in-depth read will be Tuesday. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Gemini, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. And bottom of my spread, I do see the Queen of Pentacles. So Gems, this could be you. This could be you looking beautiful, taking care of yourself, being very abundant, and maybe people are looking at you like a catch now, who is stable, secure, and the kind of person who anybody would like as a partner, right? And or if this is your cross watcher, then this is the kind of person you have an eye on. So let's see. 5 of Cups, Temperance, 10 of Pentacles, 6 of Pentacles, the King of Cups, Page of Swords, the Moon, 9 of Swords, and the 5 of Pentacles. Yes, I have somebody who's very loved up here, Gemini. I have a King of Cups here, center of my spread. Now, somebody here in this equation, Gems, this could be you, this could be your cross watcher, I don't know. But the general first look that I have of the spread, of course I will clarify them later, is that somebody wants to come out of this place of regret and sorrow. They don't want to regret losing, I think, somebody. Maybe this was a very imbalanced relationship and did not kind of fructify into that long-term stable relationship. Maybe one person was giving to more than one at one point, but now I feel somebody is kind of feeling very loved up here, and they're still stalking, still spying. Now I think whatever illusions or secrets, or if they had any doubts even on their own mind, I think they've cleared it up now, and they don't want to worry anymore. They don't want to spend the rest of their life thinking, oh my God, I should have moved when the time was right? Because now this person is feeling very abandoned and isolated. Maybe they didn't take action on time, they didn't move on time, and things didn't work out. But I do see somebody here who's realizing that they do have a lot of feelings, I think, for this Queen of Pentacles. So let's take some dialogue message cards first, and then we'll see what's happening here. Clarify these cards. So Gemini and their partner spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Gemini and their partner. Gemini and their partner spirit. Thank you. And let's take a few more from here. Gemini and their partner spirit. If they could say something to each other. And the partner. Then let's take a few messages from the heart as well. All right. Good to go now, Gemini. Let's begin your reading. It says here, I can't bear the thought of you being with someone else. I get so jealous. I just want you to be mine. Maybe this was the imbalance in the relationship, Gemini, at one point. Maybe one person was giving to more than one and not fully revealing their emotions one way or the other. And this could have been the issue, and that's why I think this partnership never worked out. I love you not only for your beauty but for your soul. Our love will be alive forever because of the way you are, pure, true, authentic, real, raw, and passionate. I think somebody is finally waking up to the connection. I didn't know what our love was until our fated meeting. I didn't know what love was until our fated meeting. I pray that God will unite us soon because you are my destiny. I love you till the end of times. So somebody's realized there's a lot of eternity and end of times going on. Somebody's suddenly recognized this person to be their soulmate. And maybe till they met this person, they didn't realize what love was, and now maybe you guys are not together, they're feeling it even more. I always thought we would get married. It absolutely breaks my heart that you chose them. Right? So yes, somebody could have chosen the wrong partner here. Enough of divine timing already. You want to be with me, I want to be with you. Why can't we just get our shit together now? I hate it when I communicate with you and you could keep the conversation going, but you shut it down. Can't you tell I'm trying to get you to coerce it out of me? I want to tell you what's going on with me, but I can't just come out and say it. Damn. Somebody has a little bit of problem of showing their emotions. So they are still hoping that somebody else will kind of force it out of them or ask them questions. They want to say certain things, but maybe because of what's happened in the past, they find it difficult now to reveal their emotions. My ex and I are just friends. I think that's what they want to say now. That they chose wrong, but now they're no longer in a relationship with them and they're just friends. And the other partner, I think, still suspects because maybe they know that they are talk or they are together or whatever, that, they chose them and one person, I think, walked away. Okay. Who knew that one of the greatest challenges of my life would be the love of my life, who after meeting would eternally haunt my very existence? Do you think about me? I want to hold you and never let go. So there is a case of misunderstanding going on here, I think. 5 of Cups in reverse, Spirit. 5 of Cups in reverse. 5 of Cups in reverse. Yes, I think somebody at one point was trying to be a little controlling. They wanted things to go their own way and I think messed it up. This relationship got a bit messed up. Now they feel, oh my God, what have I done? I need to do something now, otherwise I'm going to regret it. And I don't want to. I don't want to get stuck in a place where I'm in no man's land, right? I need to now get this ball rolling. I need to move. I need to get unstuck from the position I find myself with my person. So, yes, but this person now doesn't know what to do. They don't know what to say, how to get the ball rolling again, because too much of imbalance has been created in this connection. Temperance. Yes, this person is stressed out big time. They are stressing, they can't sleep at night, they're overthinking it. What have I done? What have I done? Now, I'm it's difficult for me to say what I want to say to my partner after what has happened in the past. Now there is a lot of overthinking, lot of stressing, lot of worrying, and lot of wishing. Somebody is really wishing for some movement to happen now after things have kind of been ruined here. Ten of Pentacles, Spirit. Ten of Pentacles. Yes, somebody made some foolish decision here. They are worrying about their foolish choices, maybe. Now this person is very, very restless, that I had an opportunity to have my happily ever after, to achieve that, perfect person in my life, and I made some foolish mistake here and I've lost it. Right? So what is this, Spirit? The Six of Pentacles in reverse. Six of Pentacles in reverse. Six of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, somebody held back. Somebody didn't offer commitment or offer their love when the time was right. They didn't listen to their intuition and finally got left out in the cold. I think their partner waited and then left them or something, because this was a very imbalanced kind of a feeling that one person was only holding back and never acknowledging their emotions or never offering a serious commitment or something, and the other person, I think, just kind of didn't want to always be the third wheel or not important in this person's life, and they left. So yeah, somebody made a choice here that I don't want to be in a place where I'm always feeling abandoned and left out. Somebody made a choice. What choice was that, Spirit? What was the choice this person made? That I don't want to be in a third party situation. The feminine here, the Queen of Pentacles, I think, made a decision that if you're not going to make decide what's going to go on with our relationship, if you're going to keep making these foolish mistakes, or if you're going to keep holding back from us, then I'm not interested either. I'm not going to be part of a third party situation. So King of Cups now, who's in the center of my spread now. King of Cups. King of Cups. Yes, they feel they made a very immature decision. They made a very unemotional decision at one point, and they were very rash. They're kind of sitting and thinking about all the wrong they've done, I think, here now. Yes, they're realizing why this new beginning hasn't come. Why they've lost out on this new beginning is because they were being very immature. They were not being emotional at all. Maybe they were very cold-hearted and never kind of gave to the relationship. Even their communication could have been, not the warmest where the relationship was concerned. Certain things were done or said which maybe broke this Queen of Pentacles' heart. And now they're understanding, hey, I do have a lot of love for my person, but I never showed it on time. So all they can do right now is stalk this woman, this person, Queen of Pentacles, and they're watching her glow up and look beautiful and be more and more stable in their life. So what's this Page of Swords, Spirit? Page of Swords. Page of Swords. Yes, now this person is understanding what they did. Maybe they, were immature, or they were behaving like a player. They never offered commitment. Same storyline. They never offered commitment. And now this is becoming little overburdening for them to bear, because now they realize their own mistakes. Now all they can do is watch this feminine, I think, glow up and be the best version for themselves. And they are sitting here loved up and feeling, what did I do? So the Moon card, Spirit. The Moon in reverse. Moon in reverse. Moon in reverse. Yes, things got, I think things got exposed. Things got exposed. Somebody realized that this masculine was being a bit selfish. They were not taking action. So I think the other person just kind of moved away and decided to work on their own life here. They moved away from the connection, from a masculine who was not taking action. They never moved. They never made an effort. They were doing things for themselves maybe, or being a bit selfish in this relationship. They never really put in any work. So once all that got exposed, I think this feminine decided, hey, I'm not going to sit in this, sitting by myself and worrying and stressed out while my masculine is never ever going to take action. So 9 of Swords, Spirit. 9 of Swords in reverse. Nine of Swords in reverse. Yes, even though this feminine, I think, wasn't very happy by the way, this masculine never took responsibility of this connection, I think they kind of made a firm decision for themselves. They picked themselves up and said, hey, I'm not going to be in victim mode. I'm going to heal myself. I'm going to heal my broken heart, and I'm not going to stress about this any longer. So, 5 of Pentacles, Spirit. 5 of Pentacles. 5 of Pentacles. Yes, this feminine got a little upset. I think the memories created between the masculine and the feminine are not that great now. I think this feminine decided if the masculines are never going to take action, then I'm not going to take action either. Right? So, yes, now this beautiful connection has a lot of not such great memories left anymore, Gemini, to be honest. And I think one or both of you are feeling a little abandoned now. More so the masculine, I feel now, because the feminine has finally picked herself up. But the masculine is now realizing what they really lost. So, one more card, Spirit, for the 5 of Pentacles. Who's feeling in the 5 of Pentacles energy? Oh, somebody wants to bring it back now. Somebody wants a rebirth. They don't like being in the 5 of Pentacles energy. They don't want to be abandoned and neglected. They don't want to be single anymore. Yes, they want to come forward with a stable offer to say, hey, can we begin again? Right? They don't want their partner to be single. They don't want to be single. Maybe this feminine has really glowed up now, become the Queen of Pentacles. Maybe is single and is the Queen, 9 of Pentacles. So this person has been watching and stalking this feminine and knowing that sooner or later I'm going to be left behind. This feminine of mine is going to be snapped up by somebody else. So now this person is the masculine is wanting a re-beginning of this connection. Am I right, Spirit? Is that what they want? Judgment? Yes, absolutely yes. Now they want to show up as an equal match, Gemini. Now they want to show this Queen of Pentacles, I am your King of Pentacles. I'm going to match you, and let's be a power couple, and let's be together, and let's start anew. Okay, so yes, there is a possibility of this connection coming back. That's depending on this feminine, if she will accept them back. Because this was a special connection, but somebody didn't make their move on time. But now from what I see, there is movement coming. There is somebody who wants to, like this card said, I mean, they know what they want. It's like, maybe the feminine is being short with them and not giving them a chance to say anything because they don't expect it now. So this masculine says, can't you tell I'm trying to get you to get my words out of me. I want to tell you what's going on in my with me, but I just can't come out and say it. So yes, somebody has to pick up that courage and say the right thing and do the right thing, right? If they want to do the right thing, there is a possibility of this connection coming back together. So that's all I have for you, gems. I hope that worked for you. Leave me a comment or a like to let me know. Till next time then, namaste.